Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. This is my H20 HD high definition 5-in-1 advanced steam cleaning system. I really wanted one of these because I want to use it on my carpet in my bedroom. My bedroom and my craft room are the only two places that I have carpet. That's how it came, a box in a box. I'll get this opened. Even though I love crafting and most of my videos are about crafting, you can always find some sort of DIY, home improvement or something, and lifestyle on my channel. First of all, we've got the manual here. It's got a lot of bits and pieces to it. Right, so as we all know, that's the front. That's what maneuvers. And I know this part is to be used for the carpet. I know that with one of these cloths. Definitely know that. I've seen it somewhere. First and foremost, instead of me going through all the parts, I am just going to go to the parts where I need it for the carpet. So this might be a little series. So I'll run through the key features off screen, but for the moment it's really how to assemble when I want to use it for the carpets. So bend it over like that to close it in, and brilliant. Now I'm just wondering what this is for. I'll check that later. I think that bit goes into here. That goes into there. Does it turn? I don't know if it turns. Oh, it's in. Okay, it's in. Okay, pull handle upwards to an upright and locked position. Done that. Then number 3. Oh, I've jumped the gun a bit because I put the bottom on. That's okay. Cloth. I think this cloth is for the carpet. I think this one's for the carpet. Not sure what these are for, but bit by bit I'll find out. I just want to do the carpet right now. This is supposed to... Alright, so these two is for the... That for the cable, and that bit here. But you can adjust it, you can turn it around. You can adjust this one. Well, it was adjusting. There we go. Yeah, you can adjust it whichever way. So I would have thought up. That one's going down and up. So then it goes, it wraps around. Right, we got that. Now this bit, I'm trying to get this opened. I think it's showing this button. Ah, there we go. Right, I think we take this off. Does this come off? Not sure if this comes off. I'm not very good with manuals, but I'm trying my best. Yeah, it comes off. There we go. Then fill it with the water. Okay, so that's how it is. So you fill it with the water and then it closes back down like that, lock it. So there's an unlock at the top here, and then the lock is here. So that's pretty easy. Right, so I know that now. That's to get the water in and to put it back in there. Right. Okay. Now, once we've put that water in, I think we're good to go. We close it back, turning on the unit. Okay. But I think I'm going to get some water in this. I'll just find out if this is the right cloth. Well, it doesn't say there's a particular one for carpet. I believe that this will be used for the carpet. Okay, so step 5 says when using the H20 HD steam cleaner on carpeting or rugs, place the mop head with microfiber cloth in place on top of the carpet glider as illustrated in 5. Right, so that's what I did do. Got to put the Velcro on top of the Velcro. I think that's it. This is it. That's all we're going to get out of that. Let me put some water in this and I'll be right back. I've done that. I've filled that up. And it's locked. Yes. That goes in there. Right. That goes back in there. And it's just this now that needs settling in. I'm going to plug it in. Right, I've turned it on. Actually, I don't know. Oh, this is the pin. So we'll go through the accessories at another time. Okay, so. Right. So I've plugged it in and it's time now for me to turn it on. But before I do that, I just want to have a look at the manual just to see what the adjustments is. Right, turning on the unit is the top one. That's got the 1. It's got the 0/1. And then the steam power, right, is here in the middle. And number 1 is the low down here. Number 2 is medium. And number 3 is high. Right, let's turn it on. It's on. on. I'm just wondering if it's supposed to make those noises. Weird noises. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, it's chucking it, yeah. Nice. Good. Well, I'm happy with that. I'm going to turn it off. Lovely. Because it's not really for my rug in my living room right now. I want to tackle the carpet in the bedroom. So I'm going to take that over there and get on with it. I'm really happy. I hope this really helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see little bits and pieces of home improvements, DIYs, hauls, paper crafting, and I do plan in my happy planner. So if you do want to see those bits and pieces or one out of the list, do subscribe. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye.